God, why aren't you older so that I could explain this to you? Maggie. Twerp. That argument that Daddy and I had is just a kind of a sign that it's time for me to be going on my own. But you mustn't tell Mom about it, do you hear?
But aren't you gonna tell Mom goodbye?
I'll write to her. She'll understand.
Where are you going, Frank?
Well, you know the money I want for boxing. The man who owns the whole troupe, Jimmy Sharman, he wants me to be one of his regular fighters.
Really?
Think of that. I'll get to travel around the whole country and see things you've never dreamed of.
I wish you'd take me with you. Will you, Frank?
Now, what kind of life would that be for you? Maggie, you must stay here and learn to be a great lady. Because you know something. You're gonna be all grown up sooner than you know.
Why don't you love me anymore?
I don't love you, Maggie.
No, you don't. Leave me if you did.
My darling Maggie. No one will ever love you more than I.
Frank! Frank!